It's week 30 of our 95-week 50k DIY home renovation challenge, and the electrician has started work. Plus, we're going to be doing another budget update. Now, the electrics in this house are old. It's at the point where if a fuse blows, we can't replace it because the parts aren't even made anymore. So we need a full rewire. Now, obviously, this means we need to decide where every single new downlight, plug, and switch needs to go. And this was hard. When the house feels like a dysfunctional building site, it's been a real challenge to think that far ahead, but we had a look at our new floor plan and mapped out where would make sense and handed it over to the electrician. He got to work doing the first fix, running all the new cables, chasing the walls, making the new holes in the ceilings for the downlights, and it's been another wave of mess and dust. And at this point we've sort of got decision fatigue, but we can start to see the new house emerging through the walls, which is very exciting. If you're in the market for a good electrician in the hearts and beds area, Hazelnut Electrical are where it's at. It feels like this messy, structural, first fixy, dusty stage of the renovation is coming to an end. But before we move on, we want to take stock and look at the budget. So here's a recap of what we've spent so far. So on structural work, building supplies, various tradesmen, we have spent a total of £31,156. On the bathroom, we have spent a total of £2,719. Outside, we've spent a total of £348.62, and on waste removal, we've spent a total of £786, which means our total spend so far is £35,011. But as we said in the last budget update, 50k is our target spend, but we think in reality we'll use at least 10k of our contingency pot. And we know the most expensive things, like the structural changes, the rewire, the boiler, all of that has to come at the start, so we're not too surprised that we've burnt through so much money in the first third of the project. Follow along to see how we get on in week 31. We're going to make a start on the master bedroom.